If your X.com or Twitter feed feels stuck, repetitive, or just not loading properly, one of the fastest fixes is to reset the site data in your browser. In this video, I'll show you a quick and easy way to clear the cookies and cache for X so you can refresh the feed and start with a clean slate. If this tutorial helps, please hit like and subscribe for more simple tech tips. Let's jump in. First, open your browser and go to x.com or Twitter. Once you're there, press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete on your keyboard. This shortcut opens the browser's clear browsing data window right away. Now you'll see a list of things you can remove. Make sure you select cookies and other site data, and also select cached images and files. These two options are the most important when you want to reset a website like X and force it to load fresh data. Next, look for the time range setting. Change it to all time so the browser clears everything stored for the site, not just recent data. This gives you the cleanest reset and helps fix issues caused by old cookies or outdated cache files. Once everything is selected and the time range is set correctly, click Clear Data. Your browser will remove the stored site data, and after that, refresh x.com or log in again if needed. When the page reloads, your feed should be refreshed and may start behaving more normally. This can help with feed glitches, loading problems, or content that seems stuck. And that's it. You've now reset your X feed the simple way using your browser's clear data settings. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy how-to guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.